Yeah, Smart and Final is a company. Yes, it's possible. But when you go over $1 million, the rent they're gonna have to pay will be higher. And so now you get squeezed with the type of tenants that will be willing to pay that. So you have less tenants to call, less demand, etc. This is like in every market, you can make a lot of money if when you arrive to that market, because remember my formula to make money, I say focus on a market, focus on an area, focus on a specific type and understand the values. So I repeat, focus on an area, focus on specific type and understand the values. You will understand the values based on, hey, the $300,000 homes here, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, are selling very fast at $300,000. But the homes that are at $450,000, they seem to sit longer on the market. The homes at $200,000 seem to not be so desirable because they're 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom. People need the 3-2. So you will get to know the critical mass of a market, not the median, or the median is half sold higher, half sold lower. I prefer to look at the average price, and then the median really, I kind of calculate which price point sells the fastest. So I look at DOM, days on market, if I'm flipping homes. Actually, right now, I can make a deal right now, sitting in front of you. You go, this afternoon, you could do it. Go to realtor.com, put a zip code of where you live. Just do it for fun. And look at, let's say, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathrooms, and look at the lowest priced one. Just it's gonna arrange by that. You can sort it by the way you want. And then there is always somebody desperate to sell, but they don't know how to do it. So they call a broker and say, I really need out, I'm sick, or I'm relocating, my company needs me to move, they will pay me for this, I need out. So what is the price to sell? And they say, well, the market price $420, you want to price it to sell, let's get $390, maybe we'll get a couple of offers, or maybe we'll just stump it. Then you call them and you say, if you have cash, you can say, I'll give you $360, all cash. They say, okay, well, let me call the seller, he wants out, and then they call you back, okay, $380 is the best we can do. You get a $380, sell it at $420, $430, you can make it quick, $40,000, $50,000, carry financing even. You can do a lot of deals if you focus on an area, understand the values, and focusing on a specific type of properties. So when it comes to the commercial retail deals, you are asking, can I do bigger deals? Yes, you can, but really the critical mass, the biggest money is made with properties between $400,000 to $800,000. Why? Because when we line them up vacant and we get tenants to pay, the tenants are willing to pay the numbers we want, and you know the formulas. I don't want to repeat it here because sometimes we take these clips, put them here and there, and I don't want our formulas out there. And what happens is, you get the property between 400 to 800, you have more tenants willing to pay the price range that we want to make sense for that property, and the upside is huge. It goes up to over $1 million to $1.8 million. It depends on who the tenant and what lease we're signing. So you could, and if you want, the more, I can give you more proof of funds. We used to have proof of funds 3.8 million, but then we were having the hardest time negotiating because brokers were saying like, hey, you're hustling me 740 to 700 when you got 3.8 million sitting in your fund, come on. So we decided to keep the proof of funds lower.